let's look at cloud strategy. So as we all know, there's a shared security model when it comes to cloud. And ultimately what that means is we'll do everything else, but the security of that data is 100% up to the owner. And in the event there's a compromise in the cloud or there's a leaky bucket, notice that Microsoft or Amazon or whoever the cloud provider is, their stock price doesn't go down, continues to go up. Why? Because they're not responsible, you are. And with that shared responsibility model, there's a number of things you can do. And most important, I say that in cloud, multi-cloud, you either bring your own encryption, keep your keys on premise, or you bring your own keys and you author and you own the key lifecycle on premise. And that's exactly what our cloud security solutions provide, whether it's multi-factor authentication into multi-cloud environments or whether it's securing them itself through our data at rest encryption, whether it's our cloud key manager of the ability to bring your own key, whether it's going out and doing discovery and classification across your cloud environments or using an HSM for your root of trust. So CipherTrust Cloud Key Manager gives you the ability to move very quickly across multi-cloud environments to install it, back up all the keys that you may have already created in the cloud, repatriate those, create keys in CipherTrust in the FIPS boundary, and then push those keys back up to cloud. And you will have enhanced your security posture very, very quickly in an automated fashion. Now, looking at CipherTrust Cloud Key Manager, when you look at the life cycle of an encryption key, you create it, you store, you import, update, sync, you rotate, perhaps do crypto shredding. You might have the ability 10 years from now to go back and do a restoration, right? It takes care of everything that you would need in a key life cycle as it relates to encryption. So you create the key, you push the key to the cloud, it does its thing, and then in the requirements of rotating, you rotate, there's no downtime, there's no maintenance windows. The CipherTrust Cloud Key Manager takes that for you. It is truly a key broker and gives you the visibility reports, the audit reports of, when keys are created, when they're rotated, what they're used for, what's the timestamp, when do they expire. So it makes life much, much easier for you in a multi-cloud environment. All clouds do the same stuff, but they're all a little bit different. So when you look at the use cases, manage your own keys, keep them on premise, right? Cloud Security Alliance, bring your own encryption, bring your own key material to cloud. It's exactly what we're able to provide in the CipherTrust platform. You do have the ability from a no cloud service provider lock-in for security. If you're moving data from one cloud to the other and you want to crypto shred keys and you brought your own key material, you have the ability to do that. If you perhaps have a key deleted in the cloud and you need to restore it, that's something that the CipherTrust Cloud Key Manager can provide for you as well. So if I look at the cloud and if I had bad intentions and I were trying to hack or create disruption in an environment, you can take down services, you can lock it with ransomware, but deleting a key would be detrimental if you're not able to quickly restore it to an environment. So the next couple of slides are more architecturally driven. So what are we able to accommodate? What does it look like from a reference architecture and supporting Microsoft Azure? So you've got your keys in CipherTrust Manager. Those keys get pushed to the vault services of Azure, and then you can distribute those keys throughout the entire environment. Now, what are the services? These are all platforms as a service, but again, if you're already using native key encryption, you can very quickly repatriate those keys, back them up, and then replace them with new keys that were built on premise. So whether it's for storage, analytics, databases, whatever it may be, these are some of the platform as a service solutions you can bring your own keys for. When you look at AWS, again, it's a very similar diagram. And it's very similar based on, again, their kind of vernacular and the services they provide. You can bring your keys for everything and anything you see here and much more that's not able to fit on this PowerPoint slide. So having a centralized place to manage your multi-cloud approach for bringing your own encryption for infrastructure as a service or for software platform as a service, bring your own key material. This is a very centralized, very quick and easy way to do that.